In this video, you will learn how to contact Google Ads support directly. First, sign in. Sign into your Google Ads account. Go to Google Ads and log in to your account using your credentials. Then, click on the help icon. In the top right corner of Google Ads dashboard, click on the help icon. Normally, it's a question mark symbol. Select Contact Us. From the drop-down menu, click on Contact Us. This will open a support option. Choose your issue. Google Ads will ask you to describe your issue. Choose a relevant topic. Select the closest option to your concern to get a more tailored assistance. Select contact method. After selecting your issue, you will be given different support methods. This could be live chat to connect with the support representative instantly, phone support, get contact number to call directly or request a call back, or email support, send a detailed message if your issue is less urgent. Finally, provide additional details. If necessary, depending on your method, you may be asked to provide further details about your account or issues before adding or connecting to support agent. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.